So now we have our Waterbomb base. What we're going to do is take these edges and just fold them up towards the center of the triangle. And again on the other side, you'll see there are 4 of these, so you need to do 1 on each side, like so. Then we're just going to flip over. I'm going to do the same on the other side, so fold it up, crease along there, and again. So you're into now this square shape, although it's on the sides, we'll call it a diamond shape. Yeah, just take a look at that. So got these little flaps. What we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and bring it into the center, and the same on the other side. So we're just going to fold these in here. Okay, and then we're going to just flip this over and do the same on the other side, bring in each of the sides into the center. There we go. Now you should see that at the bottom you've got these little bits that open up, and these ones can fold up. So what we're going to do now is going to fold those up towards just the edge of that initial fold, and the same on the other side. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold those up into the triangles that you did initially. Okay, so this is going to go into here, and this is going to go into here. So first of all, fold up across the top. This is just to make the crease. Then you want to open up the little pocket. Be a little bit fiddly. There we go. And we're just going to post this little corner up into that pocket, like so. Just going to do the same with the other one. There we go, just folding it in. Okay, so now we're going to flip it over and do exactly the same on the other side. Moving that little flap just into one fold into a triangle there, and the same on the other side. And then up over the top of that piece of paper there, just make sure there's a little crease. And then we're just going to insert those into the little pockets on the side here. Like so. So there we go, we've completed our folding. Now if you take a look at your completed base here, it should have that little diamond shape in there. And you have a look, there's a little opening just on one end of it. Now what you're going to do is to blow into that hole. So bear with me. Just give it another little puff. There we go. And we're just opening it out. And just give a little bit of a tweak there just to make it into a bit of a more of a cube. Oh, let's just get that bit out there. And this is your water bomb. It's called a water bomb, but I wouldn't advise filling it with water because it's paper, it won't hold very well, but there we go.